What I'm showing you are prices here of ceiling fans as requested by some of the viewers. So like here, it's more, this is Westinghouse brand. Only 30-inch blade. And that's how it looks. And you can see that displayed on top. So this is the 30-inch ceiling fan turbo swirl at 6,599.75. Now you got here the 52-inch rustic bronze with lights. 52-inch rustic bronze with lights. You can see it on top. There, and that's how it looks here. 9,499.75. They also have this other 52-inch design, but with gold. It's not displayed up there. It's 52-inch on the fan. Again, 9,499.75. So all I could show you there on top what they displayed. For those who's requesting about prices of fans, they also got here the 42-inch Contempera Trial at 7,599.75. I think that is the design on top. So that's 7,599.75. They come in different colors. There, the Contempera Trial. Got dark, light, all from the brand Westinghouse. Now, Westinghouse is more known, but they also have the cheaper version, the Boston Bay, their own brand. Here, they got a 52-inch is only 5,750. But that is the design. That's 52-inch decorative fan with lights on the middle. 5,750. They got the 30-inch, the small one, at 2,750. Then they got here the 42-inch decorative one, 4,980. Again, 52-inch there on the bottom. Boston Bay 52-inch, 4,750. So they got here the 52-inch decorative one, but they're not on display. You can see it's got a design, but it's only 4,750. So these are the decorative fans available here in Citi-Hardware. I am not sponsored by Citi-Hardware. Actually, I'm doing pricing video mostly for my own repository of information. There. So there, 50. So the Boston Bay brand range about 4,750, and the 30-inch is 2,750. So, but if you go to the Westinghouse brand, which is quite known, it range about 9,599 to the 30-inch one is only 6,599.75.